Welcome to Yenka 3D Shapes. Yenka 3D Shapes, released at the end of May 2007, lets you investigate 3D geometry in a flexible, user-friendly environment. A lot of geometry software is complex. You need to build shapes from scratch. With Yenka, you simply drag the shape you want, such as this cube, onto the screen. The toolbar lets you rotate your view. You can also use the toolbar to move the view around or to zoom in and out. There's a range of different camera views too, like plans and elevations. When you choose a predefined view, the camera rotates until it's in the right position, so you see how the different views are related. You can also add measurements to your shapes. Just drag them onto the shape, they'll snap automatically to key points, like corners and the centers of faces. Then, move the free end until it snaps to the other end of the length you want to measure. Once a measurement is attached, it stays in position as you rotate and move the shape. You can also resize shapes. The measurements follow the changes as you do this. As well as length, you can measure the area of a face or the total surface area of the shape. Attach these measurements to the middle of the shape's faces. You can resize shapes by dragging on their edges. As you do this, the measurements you've attached show the changing lengths and areas. Double-clicking on a shape opens its Properties pane, where you can make more detailed changes. Here you can specify exact edge lengths. You can also use the Properties pane to rotate the shape in 3D. The Reset button moves it back to where it started. In the Properties pane, you can also change the color of the shape and its transparency. Yenka 3D Shapes also includes a set of 2D shapes. For example, here's a square. Rotating the view shows that it lies flat on the plane. If you add more squares, you can snap them together. When you see a purple block appear, the squares become linked and a hinge is formed. By doing this, you can construct a net, a pattern which can be folded into a 3D shape. Here we'll make the net for a cube.